Hey Boaz Art fam! You might have noticed some things look a little different around here. That's because we've gone through a major refresh. Sleek, vibrant, and made to match the energy you bring every day. Our new look reflects the fun, creativity, and community spirit that makes this channel what it is today. But don't worry, your favorite videos, series, and laughs aren't going anywhere. In fact, we've got even more surprises lined up. Bigger content, bigger vibes, all for you. If you're as hyped about this as we are, smash that like button, share with your friends, and drop a comment with what you think of the new look. Stay tuned, more fun videos coming every month.